In the previous video, we discussed about hydrogen oxygen fuel cell. Here, another example for fuel cell is methanol oxygen fuel cell. This is also called as polymer electrolyte membrane fuel cell or proton exchange membrane fuel cell. In this fuel cell, anode, cathode, both anode and cathode are platinum catalysts, and electrolyte is solid polymer, which is used to avoid the leakage of electrolyte from the cell. Here, sulfonated Teflon will act as polymer. Sulfonated Teflon, solid polymer, is used to, as electrolyte to avoid the leakage, and this also helped to transfer protons from anode to cathode. And fuel is methanol, and oxidizer is oxygen. Coming to the construction, platinum rod, both anode and cathode are platinum rods. Here, this is solid sulfonated Teflon used to transfer proton ions. At anode, methanol and water molecule is passed, and at cathode, oxygen is passed. Coming to the construction, platinum, both anode and cathode, platinum rod is taken as anode and cathode, and here electrolyte sulfonated Teflon is taken, solid sulfonated Teflon is taken as electrolyte to avoid the leakage, and at anode, methanol and water molecule is passed, and at cathode, oxygen is passed. Coming to the working, at anode, methanol and water molecule undergoes oxidation, and it gives carbon dioxide, protons and electrons. This is oxidation reaction, and it occurs at anode. And at cathode, oxygen gas is passed, and this proton is transferred from anode to cathode, and it gives water molecule. Coming to the overall cell reaction, methanol and oxygen gives rise to carbon dioxide and water molecule. This is the overall cell reaction. This is reduction, and the EMF of the cell is around 0.6 to 0.8 volts. Another example for fuel cell is methanol oxygen fuel cell, and here methanol will act as fuel and oxygen will act as oxidizer. Coming to the construction, platinum rod, both anode and cathode, platinum rod is placed, and here platinum rod will act as, one platinum rod will act as anode and other platinum rod will act as cathode. Here polymer is taken, solid polymer is taken as electrolyte to avoid the leakage. So generally here sulfonated Teflon is taken. Then coming to the working, at anode, methanol with water gives carbon dioxide and proton electron. These protons are transferred from anode to cathode, and at cathode, oxygen gas is passed. This oxygen reacts with the protons coming from the anode and electrons from the anode, and it gives water molecules. This is reduction reaction. Coming to the overall cell reaction, methanol and water reacts and they give carbon dioxide and water molecule. When compared with hydrogen oxygen fuel cell, in this methanol oxygen fuel cell, carbon dioxide is released, and this is considered as greenhouse gas, and this is not environmental friendly. And this carbon dioxide released from the cell will poison the activity of platinum at anode and cathode. That means it stops the working of platinum and cathode, platinum which is working as anode, and the platinum which is working as cathode. So it reduces the activity, platinum activity at anode and cathode. These are the disadvantages of methanol oxide fuel cell. And the EMF coming from this cell is 0.6 to 0.8 volts. Thank you.